Samsa is one of the most beloved traditional Uzbek dishes. Today, we'll show you how it's made. First, we make the dough mixing flour, water, salt, and a little oil until it becomes soft and smooth. Then we let it rest. Once rested, we divide the dough into pieces, brush each layer with oil, and roll them out again. Now for the filling. Plenty of onions, minced beef, salt, and spices. The onions make the samsa juicy and flavorful. Place the filling in the center and fold it into a triangle. This is the classic shape of Uzbek SAMSA. Brush the top with egg wash and sprinkle sesame seeds. It adds a beautiful color and aroma. Place the samsa into a preheated oven and bake for about 30–40 minutes until golden brown. And there you have it, Uzbek SAMSA. Every bite is filled with love and authentic flavor.